Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video will show you how to make over $600 in PayPal money every single day, even if you're completely broke. You might be one of those people who have been yearning for that PlayStation 5 for a long time but haven't been able to do it due to lack of cash. Well, today I'm going to discuss with you a completely free and simple method for anyone out there who does not have any money and wants to start any online job that pays over $600 per day but does not have any money to invest. And you may keep doing this over and over again. In this video, I'll show you how to take advantage of YouTube. You may make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every day by following and executing these procedures. Just think about how many people you might potentially reach with this easy method, given there are millions, if not billions, of people using this platform. You're about to hear the step-by-step instructions on how to generate over $600 every day. Because not so many people are doing it, there is a huge potential for making money online. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. There are 3 tasks that we must fulfill before we may earn money. First and foremost, the first step is you must ensure that you have a PayPal account, as a website that will be shared with you later on will require you to have a PayPal account in order to receive a payout. If you do not have one yet, do not worry because we're going to show you how to make one today. You can easily and for no cost create an account. Sign up for a PayPal account by visiting paypal.com. And just click on the button here to sign up for a free PayPal account. To finish, create a personal PayPal account and then fill all the required details. It's that easy. Once you've completed the first step, we'll move on to the next step, which is visiting youtube.com. Now type entertainment into YouTube's search bar and press enter. You'll be taken to a new page where you can watch the video results. However, what we have to do is to search for small channels. Small channels are those that only have few subscribers, not more than 100,000 because it'll be easier to reach out to them. Now right below that YouTube icon, there's a filter button. And then under the type option, click on channels to make it easier for you to find as many channels as possible. By selecting this option, it will filter out different channels that are mostly engaged with entertainment. Now, when selecting channels, you should take into consideration the number of subscribers the channel has. As I previously stated, that we should only consider small channels for this method to work, because keep in mind that these channels should be active. If you're done choosing a small YouTube account, let's proceed to the third step. The website that I'll be introducing to you is where we will earn money. I want you to go to your browser search bar and type in Second Life. Click on the first result with the link secondlife.com. Online multimedia platform Second Life allows users to design their own avatars and enter a virtual environment. Second Life has a thriving entrepreneurial community. Content can be created by Second Life residents who have access to the virtual world. Second Life is unique in that users maintain ownership of their content, allowing them to distribute and monetize their work through the Second Life marketplace, which now has 2.1 million things for sale. When you're on the Second Life homepage, I want you to scroll down and click on this affiliate program link, which will direct you to another page. The affiliate program compensates you for promoting Second Life on your website, in content, or through your brand. When someone visits a Second Life link in your content and subsequently registers as a Second Life member, you will receive a flat commission from the company. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, you may be wondering how you may become an affiliate for this company. Just click this Get Started Today button right here, and you'll be taken to a CJ Affiliate Publisher sign-up page. You can activate your affiliate account by following the instructions in the confirmation email. This is the page where you will be able to sign up and get your free account, and you can begin using it. Simply choose your language and country from the drop-down menu. They accept a wide range of countries, so don't be worried about that. You'll also be required to enter your email address and your password, and then click on the box I am not a robot to verify. And then click on the verify email button, and with that, you're pretty much finished. It is that quick and easy. As soon as your account has been validated, all you have to do now is go to your account and copy your referral link and referral code. Let's return to YouTube and visit your preferred entertainment channel now that you have your referral link. Now proceed to the About tab, which can be found on the channels page, and you will be able to see the account contact details, specifically the email address. What you want to do is send them a message informing them that they should make films about it, or simply promote the website on their social media platforms through the contact information provided. And if they go on to sign up for a Second Life account using your referral link, you will undoubtedly earn extra money. Consider that there are millions, if not billions, of YouTube users on this platform. Just think about how many people you could contact with this simple strategy. The more people you can reach, the better. If you can contact 5 or 10 YouTube channels and get them all to sign up, you may start making money right immediately. They pay extremely well and pay quite quickly depending on how many people you're able to recruit. And the best part is that you do not have to spend any money to make money with this method. It is completely free. As long as you have the time and you're willing to put in the effort to reach out to these YouTubers and find new small channels in the entertainment industry. Try this strategy out for yourself without any reservations. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.